Yo, you're 23, drowning in student loans, working a 9 to 5 that barely pays for your overpriced coffee, and scrolling through TikTok watching some 19-year-old flex a lembo they earned from dropshipping. Sound familiar? What if I told you you could build wealth, real, passive income without selling your soul or shilling crypto scams? Stick around, because in the next 8 minutes, I'm spilling the secrets millionaires use to make money while they sleep. But first, let's talk about why you're stuck. Here's the deal. You're not lazy. You're just trapped in a system that's rigged. You trade hours for dollars, while the rich trade ideas for millions. You've tried the side hustles, Uber, Etsy, maybe even that sketchy online course that promised millions but left you broke. The truth? Passive income advice is either BS or requires $1 million to start. But what if you could start with $100 or even $0 and build streams of income that grow while you're binge watching Netflix? Spoiler, you can. But there's a catch. Before you can unlock passive income, you need to ditch the myths and master 3 secrets the wealthy don't share on social media. I'm talking real strategies, not hype. In just a minute, I'll reveal the first one, used by millionaires like Warren Buffett and TikTok entrepreneurs alike, but only if you're ready to stop dreaming and start doing. Ready? Let's dive in. Secret number 1, think like a millionaire, not a worker. Millionaires don't trade time for money, they build systems that work for them. Take Sarah, a 25-year-old barista who started a print-on-demand t-shirt store with $50. She didn't quit her job, but last month her designs sold $3,000 while she was sleeping. The mindset? Stop chasing quick cash. Focus on assets that grow. Whether it's a side hustle or an investment, every dollar you earn should plant a seed for more. But here's the thing, mindset alone won't cut it. You need a plan. And that's where things get juicy. Secret number 2, pick the right passive income stream for you. Let's break down 3 that actually work. No trust fund required. First, digital products. Write an ebook, create a Canva template, or sell a course on Skillshare. It takes upfront work, but once it's live, it sells forever. Example, a 27-year-old graphic designer made $10,000 last year selling $5 Photoshop presets. Second, dividend stocks. You don't need millions. Apps like Robinhood let you buy fractional shares for $10. Pick stable companies, reinvest dividends, and watch it compound. Third, real estate. No, you don't need to own a house. Try REITs, real estate investment trusts. They're like stocks but pay you rent money monthly. Start with $100 on platforms like Fundrise. The catch? You gotta start small and stay consistent. But what's stopping you? Let's tackle the excuses. I don't have time. Bro, you spend 2 hours a day on TikTok, swap 30 minutes for building an asset. I don't have money. Start with free tools like Canva or invest $10 in a stock. It's too risky. Risk is real, but so is the risk of staying broke. The key is education. Learn before you leap. Platforms like YouTube and Reddit's or /passive income are goldmines for free advice. Still think it's impossible? Let me tell you about Alex. Meet Alex, a 22-year-old college dropout. He had $200 and a dream. He watched free YouTube tutorials, built a $15 ebook on fitness tips, and marketed it on Instagram. First month, $50. 6 months later, $2,000 a month passive. He's not a millionaire yet, but he's free from his soul-crushing retail job. The difference? He started. Right now, someone your age is building their first income stream while you're watching this. Don't wait for someday. The sooner you start, the sooner your money works for you. But there's one final secret you need to lock this in. You're this close to cracking the passive income code, but there's one thing millionaires do that you're probably not. It's not money, not skills, it's something deeper. Stick with me for the final secret, because this is where most people fail, and I'm not letting you be one of them. Let's finish this strong. Secret number 3, build systems and stay consistent. Passive income isn't set it and forget it, it's set it up right and let it grow. Automate where you can, use tools. That's it for today, hustlers. If you love this, smash that subscribe button for more no BS wealth tips. Drop a comment. What's your first passive income move? And don't miss next week's video. We're exposing the biggest money mistakes young people make. See you in the comments, and let's build that empire.